Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about smart agriculture with no waste. The global population is expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050. This means that we will need to produce more food in the next 30 years than we have in the past 12,000 years combined. To meet this challenge, we need to rethink how we farm. We need to do things smarter, better, and faster. We need to minimize waste and maximize efficiency. That's where smart agriculture with no waste comes in. Smart agriculture with no waste is a new way of farming that uses technology to optimize every step of the process from planting to harvesting. It uses sensors, data, and AI to make farming smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable. For example, sensors can be used to collect data on soil conditions, weather, and crops. This data can then be used to develop customized farming plans that take into account the unique conditions of each field. AI can also be used to automate many of the tasks involved in farming, such as planting, spraying pesticides, and harvesting. This can free up farmers' time to focus on other aspects of their business. One of the biggest challenges in farming is waste. Food loss and waste account for 30% of all food produced worldwide. This is not only a huge economic loss, but it also means that valuable resources such as water and energy are wasted. Smart agriculture with no waste tackles this problem head-on. By using technology to optimize the farming process, it reduces waste at every step. This not only saves farmers money, but it also helps to protect the environment. Another benefit of smart agriculture with no waste is that it makes farming more sustainable. By using fewer resources and producing less waste, farmers can reduce their environmental impact. This is important for feeding the world's growing population without harming the planet. So what does the future of farming look like? Smart agriculture with no waste is just one part of the solution. Farmers will need to adopt new technologies and ways of thinking to meet the challenges of the 21st century. But the good news is that the future of farming is looking bright. With innovation and hard work, we can feed the world in a sustainable way for generations to come. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of other interesting videos coming up.